The question says that an angular magnifying power of 30x is desired using an objective of focal length 1.25 centimeter and an eyepiece of focal length 5 centimeter. How will you set up the compound microscope? So basically it is asking that what would be the length of this microscope if we have got an objective of focal length 1.25 centimeter and an eyepiece of focal length 5 centimeter. So we know that the length of microscope can be given by the distance of the image from the objective added with the object distance for the eyepiece. Now we have also been given that the desired magnifying power is 30x. So we can write it as m equals to VO by UO, that is the position of final image by the objective divided by the object distance from the objective multiplied with 1 plus d by FE, where FE is the focal length of the eyepiece. Now in this expression, this first part is magnification by the objective and the second part is the magnification by eyepiece. Now it is desired that m would be equal to 30, and let us calculate the expression for ME first, the value for ME. Now we have been given that the focal length of the eyepiece is 5 centimeter. So substituting the values, we will get the value of ME, and that would be equal to 6x. Now we can substitute this 6x in this formula and find out the value of MO. Now finding the value of MO, we will get the value of 5. That is magnification by the objective is going to be equal to 5 times. Now we know that objective creates virtual image, so we can write it as -5. Now the magnification by objective is given by VO, that is the objective, the position of image produced by the objective divided by the object from the objective lens would be equal to -5. So if we assume that UO, that is the object distance from the objective, is -x using the sign convention, then VO would be equal to 5x using this relation. Now using lens equation for the objective, we will find out the value of UO. So substituting the values that we assumed in the previous case, so 1 by V would be equal to 1 by 5x. Now 1 by U would be equal to 1 by x because U is -x. So finding the value of x, we will get a value of 1.5 centimeter. Now since we assume that VO is equals to 5x, so VO is going to be equal to plus or 7.5 centimeter, and UO, that is the object distance from the objective, is going to be equal to minus of 1.5 centimeter. So we have got the value of UO over here and the value of VO over here, and we also know that we have to find out the value of VO and UE. So only unknown quantity is the object distance from the eyepiece. We have the value of VO, that is 7.5 centimeter. Now let us find out the value of UE. Now for finding UE, we will use the lens equation for the eyepiece. So for finding UE, we have been given the data, that is final image will be at -d under normal adjustment. So it would be equal to minus of 25 centimeter, and focal length is given, that is 5 centimeter. So just we need to find out the value of U. We can use lens formula in this to find out just one variable. So using the lens formula, we will get the value of U as 4.17 centimeter. So the object distance from the eyepiece is going to be equal to 4.1 centimeter for the magnification of 6x. Now we have got the value of UE, that is this one, and we calculated earlier the value of VO. Now we can add it to get the length of compound microscope, and similarly we can substitute the values and find out the answer as 11.67 centimeter. Thank you.